Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using the service. Today we're taking a look at PNC Bank, found online at pnc.com. PNC is a large regional bank offering a full suite of financial services, from personal checking and savings accounts to mortgages, loans, and investment options. Navigating their website, you'll find a clean and organized layout designed to make finding the information you need relatively easy. They cater to a wide range of customers, including individuals, small businesses, and large corporations. One notable feature is their virtual wallet product, which provides tools and insights to help manage your spending and saving habits. They also offer various credit cards with different perks and rewards programs, allowing you to choose the card that best aligns with your financial goals. For those interested in investing, PNC provides brokerage services and wealth management solutions. Their online banking platform allows you to access your accounts 24/7, pay bills, transfer funds, and even deposit checks remotely. They also have a mobile app, making banking on the go convenient and accessible. Security is a priority, and PNC employs various measures to protect your financial information. While they have a wide branch network, primarily in the eastern and midwestern United States, their online and mobile capabilities make it easy to bank with them even if you're not located near a physical branch. They offer customer support via phone, email, and secure messaging through the online banking portal. Exploring pnc.com further reveals resources and educational materials covering various financial topics, such as budgeting, saving for retirement, and managing debt. Overall, PNC presents itself as a comprehensive financial institution with a solid online presence, catering to a broad spectrum of financial needs. Whether you're looking for a simple checking account or complex investment strategies, PNC likely has services to offer. However, as with any financial institution, it's crucial to do your research and compare their offerings with other banks to ensure they meet your specific requirements. Remember to check out the links in the description below for more information.